Welcome to Akshara Max Academy. Today we are going to learn about case study in grade 9, chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. So case study number 2, this is. So case study 1 link is given in the description. If you want, you can use it. So what is the case study number 2 is, the temperature is a measure of warmth or coldness of an object or substances which refer to some standard values. In countries like USA, Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. So an equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius is F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. On reading the above information, some questions, some queries come in a man's mind. Help them to resolve his following queries. Answer the following question. Nothing, sir. So in few countries like USA, Canada, they are used to mention the temperature in Fahrenheit. In India, we use it to mention in Celsius. So that formula for both convention, the formula is given. F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. This formula is given. So based on this, few questions they are given that we will check it. What type of equation F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32 they are given. So what type of equation they ask, sir? So what are the equation is given? Cubic equation, linear equation, quadratic equation, none of the above they are given. So cubic equation means highest power should be a 3, but here the highest power is 1. The highest power for the both, because always you want to check the variable power only. Here the variable is F and C only the variable. So the highest power is 1. So cubic is not correct, sir. Quadratic is also not correct. So one is that linear equation around correct. So answer for this first question is linear equation. Next question. How many variables are there in the equation? Already I told the variable they are given as F one variable and C is another variable. So we have two variables, sir. So third question. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So we are going to solve this one. So actually according to the formula, 9 by 5 into C plus 32, this is the formula. So what they are given, 9 by 5 into Celsius value they are given as 30 degree plus 32. So this if you cancel, then 6 will come. So 54 plus 32, so it will become 86 degree. So Fahrenheit, 86 degree Fahrenheit. So answer is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth question. Can you understand this for third question, sir? So next fourth question. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what will be the temperature in Celsius? Before question, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now Fahrenheit to Celsius. Same formula we can use it, sir. F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So F value Fahrenheit they are given 95 by 5 into C plus 32, we are going to take it to the next side. So it will become minus 32, which is equal to 9 by 5 into C. You subtract means 5 you subtract 3 will come, 9 you subtract 3, 6 will come, which is equal to 9 by 5 C. That means C means Celsius. So 63 into 5 by 9, which is equal to Celsius, sir. So this is reciprocal will come in equal to before. So 1 9 is 9, 7 9s are 63. So Celsius is 35 degree Celsius. This is the answer, 35 degree Celsius. Next question. Can you understand this question? So next one. What is the temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? What is the temperature which is numerically both? In which area when F is equal to C? When the Fahrenheit and Celsius it will be same. Like that, which temperature it will be both same. So same formula I am going to use it, sir. F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So they told both are same only, no? So 9 by 5 F plus C. Because they told instead of Celsius I have written Fahrenheit. So I am going to take this one to the side. So F minus 9 by 5 F, which is equal to 32. So cross multiply 9 5F minus 9F by 5, which is equal to 32, sir. So minus 4F by 5, which is equal to 32. So Fahrenheit we will find out. So 32 into 5 by minus 4. So 1 4 is 4, 8 4s are 32. So F is equal to minus 40. So when the Fahrenheit will become minus 40, Celsius also will become minus 40. So both time it will become at minus 40, both it will be the same. Can you understand this case study? Anybody have any doubt, you can comment in this video. If you like this video, share to your friends. Still now, if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.